Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien. I'm your host P Fire, aka CP Company. You'll get it in a minute. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around, come back in shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV, except we're doing it in real life. Let's get it, gang. I'm back in shot. I'm back in. Labels out and everything. Let's put this back in right now. You know what I'm saying? Let me keep my head warm. Let me pull this down, and I'm gonna give you the little 12 to the RJ. Guys, you see what it is. You see that knit. You see the design. You see what's popping. Give you a bit of chest love. Alright, little 12 RJ. Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright, my beautiful people. This piece we have here today is a CP Company times Palace knit. You see right there, CP Palace. Now this is based on like an 80s original CP Company piece. I'll put that here somewhere. It came out in this color and it came out in the purple. I was really gassed for these pieces, the knits as well as the jacket. But like I mentioned to you previously, the jackets just wasn't popping, and the purple of this, it wasn't really saying much. This was the best piece in the whole collection, if you ask me. Anyway guys, let's get into it. You see where my waist is right there. You see where this comes down to. This is in a large or extra large. I'll tell you in a minute. I got it oversized for a reason. Very nice. All right, let's start at the cuff edges. Alright, left hand side, right hand side. Equilibrium is a beautiful thing. As you can see, little bit of room. Remember, this is a knit, so you don't want to go too crazy putting your hands in. You know, just little roomage there. Boom. You see that kind of X and arrowy kind of print that you've got there. Let me give you a full twirl large so you can see what I want. You know what I'm saying? You see the print. Of course, you see the C.P and then underneath Palace. Really, really nice. And this is quite faithful to the original in the sense of, you know, that sort of square bit in the middle, the CP Company, and that kind of print. Not exactly the same, but similar, as you can see from the pictures that I've shown you. All right, guys. This is just a really, really nice piece. It feels really soft to the touch. It's super nice. I picked it up on release day. Of course, you've got all your accoutrements, your literature in there. I picked it up on release day. I went through a number of the pieces, but nah, I wasn't feeling it. I was only feeling this, and I'm glad I bought this. I bought this in an extra large, I believe. Like I said, I like it a bit oversized, so I'll have, you know, a bit of a baggy jean on it. And yeah, really nice, guys. Like, I wish you could feel it. It's super soft, super soft. I'm just gonna take it off so you can see the insides. As you can see, let me pull my hat down. As you can see, the inside is this brown. So yeah, this is an extra large that I wore it in. I'm sorry, that I bought it in, little extra large right there. As you can see, you've got your CP Company Palace logo right there. Super nice. Of course, you got the reverse brown. You could wear this inside out and people wouldn't clock until they got up close. But yeah, really nice piece, guys. Super nice, super clean. Yeah, and just a piece that I'm glad I picked up, to be honest. You know what I mean? Let me put it back on just to give you that final twirlage. You guys can see what I want. Good. This on and off business, trying to make sure my hat stays in place. It's hard work. You need to be a professional, guys, just like me. Of course, you got all your labels right there. We won't hide away. So yeah, there you go, guys. CP Company Palace, and this is light enough that you can wear it on a hot day, to be honest. But you'd have to, not a hot day, but like a spring day. It doesn't necessarily have to be a winter piece because it's not heavy. So you could wear it on a spring day. You know, today this is actually not warm enough to walk outside just like this, but a nice coat on top, you are good to go. Guys, thank you as always for watching. I appreciate your time and I appreciate your support, guys. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit. This has been a CP Company Palace knit, and I have been your host P Fire, aka CP Company, and this has been Once. We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien. As always, guys, please leave your comments, like, subscribe, share the video, and yeah, much more to come. Mad love 2023, gang. Let's get it. Peace.